Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can swap on Bitkeep application. Keep watching the video till the end. To swap on Bitkeep, firstly open up your Bitkeep application. The home page of Bitkeep application will appear on the screen. Click on swap option on the bottom of the page. Click on any crypto. Here I'm going to choose BTC, that is Bitcoin. Tap on sell and enter the amount of crypto you want to sell. Now to swap your crypto coin, click on swap option once you are done entering your amount limit. This is how you can swap on Bitkeep application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.